I'm Miss Sarah, and this is Cooking Up Stories, and this is the dinosaur one. We have the library dinosaur with us today. We're going to go ahead and read a dinosaur book, make a dinosaur snack, and then I'll show you a dinosaur craft that you can do. Are you happy to be here, dinosaur?
Rawr!
Can you wave? All right, Dinosaur's gonna help me read this book, and this book is called Dino Bites by Algy Craig Hall. So feel free to shout out with me, and Dinosaur is here to have some fun. This is the dinosaur looking for lunch. Ooh, you hungry, dinosaur? Yeah, you look hungry. This is the lunch, looking for a snack. So this dinosaur is bigger than this dinosaur. I think he wants to eat him. Do you want to eat both of those dinosaurs, dinosaur?
Rawr!
This is the snack, looking for a bite. And what does it look like he wants to bite? It's a fly. Dinosaur, lunch, snack, bite. I think all of those dinosaurs are hungry. Can I hear your dinosaur roar? Roar!
Yum.
Bites! What did he do? The little dinosaur ate the fly. Snack! What happened? The medium-sized dinosaur ate the small dinosaur. Crunch! The big dinosaur ate the medium dinosaur. Oh, dinosaur, you must be starving.
Burp.
But the bite buzzed. Go ahead and buzz your child. The snack hopped. Can you give a little hop in your seat? Dinosaur, can you hop? Good job. The lunch wiggled. Can you guys give a little wriggle? Good job. Good job, dinosaur. And the dinosaur went. What do you think he's gonna do? Dinosaur, do you have any ideas? You don't know? All right, let's find out. And what happened? They all burped each other out. The end. Good job. That was a really fun story, and I hope you guys are in the mood for a little dinosaur snack. I think Dinosaur has to go bye-bye now, though, so he's gonna go away at the moment. Or he's going to try to eat me. Not sure. All right, I'm back, and I'm ready to make our dinosaur snack. So what you're gonna need is a slice of bread, a banana, some clementine segments, peanut butter, or any nut spread that you like. You could even use hummus, any type of spread that you like to put on bread. And some raisins, or if you really want to go fancy, some chocolate chips. We're going to use raisins today. So what you're going to do is first I want to cut my banana in half the vertical way. So just like and we're going to use that as the dinosaur's head. Now I wanted to do that first. And then we're going to put our peanut butter on our slice of bread. Because this is the dinosaur's body. So put as much or as little peanut butter on that you like. All right, I think that's all I'm gonna do. And then you're gonna put some little decorations on your dinosaur's body. So throw on some raisins, but make sure to save at least one raisin for the dinosaur's eye. Ooh, that's a lot of raisins. And you can always decorate, sprinkles would be fun on this if you got some sprinkles lying around. Ooh, frosting. Ooh, frosting instead of peanut butter. Now there's a good option. And then we're going to go ahead, I'm gonna move my little bread down. So this is kind of what my plate looks like at the moment. And then we are going to put our dinosaur's head on. So we're gonna just build it like that. So this is our dinosaur's head. And I'll show you again later. And then I'm going to just dip a raisin in the peanut butter to attach it to the head as the eye. And then I'm gonna use these orange segments for the dinosaur's legs. Go like that. And like that. Use this one. All right, and that is a very simple and easy, healthy snack that you can make, and it looks like a dinosaur. No, dinosaur! Mine! All right, let's go ahead and move into our dinosaur craft for today, but first I'm gonna take a break and wash my hands. All right, I'm back, and now we are going to start our dinosaur craft. So what you need for the dinosaur craft is some construction paper, your hand, a utensil to trace your hand with, a glue stick, markers, and a scissors. So I'm trying to use things that you would have at your house. So we're gonna start off by, so feel free to pause the video whenever you need to. We're going to trace our hand onto the paper, and this is going to be our dinosaur body. So go ahead and trace your hand. All right, and then we're going to draw kind of like a upside down J kind of like shape, and this is gonna be the dinosaur's neck. So we're kind of drawing a brachiosaurus like this guy right here. So go ahead and do however you think the best way to make that look like the brachiosaurus's head. And then we're going to cut it out. I'm just gonna trim it up a little bit. All right, so then this we have as the body of our dinosaur. So I'm gonna just like lay that in front of me. And now I'm gonna cut out that other shape. So see how it's kind of like a J shape? Yep, so if you turn it upright, then you got the dinosaur's head, and we're gonna kind of glue it together like that. Let's do it like. So you kind of see we got the dinosaur's body, here's his little tail, and then here's his head. So this is where you take those markers and you go to town and just decorate your dinosaur. If you have glitter, sequins, pipe cleaners, pom-poms, any arts and craft supplies you have, you can make your dinosaur look all fancy. I just have markers today, so I'm just going to draw some little spots on my dinosaur. Let's see, let's go with orange. I like orange. And we'll grab another color. Let's go purple. And we'll do one more color, I think. Let's do blue. Let's do blue. Stickers would be fun to put on this dinosaur too. I'm gonna just draw some toes on him. And then I think I'll use black for the eyes. And red for the mouth. Ooh, stripes would look fancy on the dinosaur too. And so this is our very easy dinosaur to make. All you need is a sheet of construction paper, scissors, glue, markers for a very basic one. Thank you guys for watching today. Remember, we did our dinosaur book, Dino Bites. We made our super healthy dinosaur snack, and we made our dinosaur craft. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.